I will show you how to convert any video or audio file into text completely free using the OpenAI Whisper Python project, including how to download, install, and use it to your Windows PC. You don't need any API key or subscription. Everything runs directly on your computer. Let's start. Open the GitHub repository to get the source code. The link in the pinned comment. Open GitHub. Then you come speech-to-text exe file. Click. Then click speech-to-text exe, and here the download will start. That's it. Once the download is complete, simply open the exe file. And start using it right away. Okay. If you are a developer or want to customize the application, you can download the full source code from GitHub. You will find a complete installation guide here. Click green boot button, then select download zip. And go to download folder, then extract this folder. And select this folder and cut. And you go your computer C drive, then paste. Here are the source code. Now you can use any code editor like VS Code, PyCharm, Sublime Text, even Notepad++. So if you are using VS Code, simply open the project. You can open your terminal. Now make a Python installation on your PC. So check this command. In the search bar, enter cmd, then open command prompt. The Python _version. Enter. Yeah, this is my Python version showing, means I have already installed. If not installed, download it from python-gui. Yeah, download option, or use this command. Winget install Python and enter. Installation is started. Next, check FFmpeg is installed or not. Type FFmpeg space dash version. Enter. FFmpeg is not recognized. Internal external commands. If it's not installed, you can easily install by this command. winget install FFmpeg. Enter. For some time to finish this installation process. After finish this installation, close your terminal. Now go your project folder and open terminal inside this project. This is the project full project code. You can customize your own idea. Now type this command: pipe install data space requirements.txt. Enter. To complete this final step, a Python. Type the project name. My project name is speech-to-text.python. Enter. Here, same as exe. Project is run. Now click browse file and you select your audio or video file. From my side, I select my video file. Open. Video file select is done. You can select different output where you want to save it, and this output format like txt, str, btt, json, tsv. You can check or uncheck. This time I will select only text format. Whisper model. This is faster, balanced, better, best. My side, I select balance, and here is the model language: English, Spanish, France, Germany, and more. My video language is English, so I select English, then click Start Transcription. So if you face this type of error, is path location is missing. Open the CMD and type where FFmpeg. Okay, you see your computer path location. Select your full path location. Keyboard Control C. Path location is copied. For your Windows search bar and type environment. Here is the edit the system environment variable. Open and click this environment variable and click this path and click edit and click new and paste your copy. Confirm your FFmpeg path location and okay. Then close your VS Code. Then again project folder and open VS Code. And here open your terminal. And now start your project. Python project name. Enter. Again browse. This is my video file. Select open, and here is edit, balance, language, text, and again start transcription. Yeah, now work file is processing. Yes, this is done. Let's say check it. Yeah, open txt. Okay, file transcript is done. Here is the basic information, and here is your full transcript. Okay, now optional. If you want to build exe file, simple process. Step 1, install. Command is pipe install file installer. Enter. When face any error, this command is not recognized, then you press this command. I will provide all command in my description. Okay, finally is done. Now step 3, find your exe file inside the dist folder. So, and here, this is your exe file. This you can open here, double click. Okay, you can use copy or cut and you paste your desktop or anywhere. Just a double click here. Same browse to any project file and start transcription. It's working. So if this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to How to Fix. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.